wherever in the world you're watching today. Happy Sunday, guys. You know, before the races, I just want to always give a little pep up to see where your head is at, who you think is going to win. I know it is anybody's game, but it's still nice to see you guys have a big debate in the comments. So today's race is in Rabat, Morocco, and we're going to be watching the women's 100 meter. You have so many good competitors in this race that's not even funny. You know, you have Jamaican trailblazer Elaine Thompson Herah and her compatriot Natasha Morrison, and they will be going up against arguably the toughest competitor, Antonique Strachan. You know, she ran a personal best of 10.99 seconds earlier in the season. Not to mention Marie Jose Talu, whose season's best is 11.07 seconds. This meet is on the heels of Thompson Herah's last performance at the Prefontaine Classic in Eugene, where she faced off against the likes of Richardson and Asher Smith. And if you've been following, her season's best is 10.79, with her personal best being 10.54. Do you think she will beat her personal best this time around? And how will she fare against Talu and Strachan? Like, we don't even know. It's anybody's game. But make sure you tune in later, guys. So, see you soon. Bye.